Welcome to our video guide on managing the Deficit Product Report module, a useful tool to efficiently monitor and analyze products with stock deficits. After installing the module, navigate to the Reports and Product with Deficit tabs. Here you can explore deficit product reports presented in tables, showcasing product names, SKUs, the quantity of products with a stock deficit, and the number of such products in an order. Effortlessly sort report data in the Name and SKU columns by clicking on the up and down triangle icons. Utilize the search option to quickly find deficit products by name. For seamless handling of numerous records, customize the display by setting the quantity of records per page. Select your preferred number from the drop-down list. Thank you for choosing our Deficit Product Report module. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to efficiently manage and analyze products with stock deficits. Happy monitoring!